Ang power or ang luck ng monkey mas maganda kapag evening. Remember, the horse has the sun star, so kailangan pag nagtatransact sila sa morning. Sa mga monkeys naman po, mas maganda ang dinner time, no? So when you have a very special na mga contracts or meetings, mas maganda gawin nyo yan ng dinner time. Kasi mas malaki ang chance ninyo to actually, get what you wanted if it's on the evening. They also have the Grand Duke combo, which makes it that they will be highly connected. Yung mga connections yung malalakas, matataas, no? You will actually be well connected next year. Effortlessly, makikilala o makakasama nyo yung talagang mga matataas at mga powerful. Not only mentors, but you will be, on this kind of level next year, no? You will be connected with prominent people. You will be actually, marked as a prominent person. May ganong luck sila, no?